As Jensen talked about AI factories at Davos, he talked about AI factories as a 5-layer cake. The first layer being the app layer, model layer, chips layer, the infrastructure layer, and the energy layer. Now, when you're looking at the 12 months horizon from AI factories who are looking to provide a large-scale industry for intelligence building, the first and the foremost important thing that comes to my mind is trust, security, and sovereignty. And that's where Fortanix confidential AI solution comes into the picture. Confidential AI solution from Fortanix is based on 4 pillars. The first pillar is the trust. Fortanix provides confidential computing manager, that is a control plane that enables you to take your containers or VMs that are running on an untrusted infrastructure, transform them into confidential VM or a confidential container that can be deployed on a confidential computing infrastructure. The second pillar is Fortanix Data Security Manager. This is our next-gen HSM, a FIPS 140-2 Level 3 appliance that has a KMS built in. It provides enterprise key management and the lifecycle management for the keys. And it goes beyond and it provides security for data while data is at rest or while it is in motion. Now, once the verifiable trust is being built with a confidential computing manager, a secure key release happens from Fortanix Data Security Manager. The third pillar is an app layer that is built on top of NVIDIA AI for Enterprise that provides an ability to have a turnkey orchestration for the blueprints, deploy the NIM models at scale. And the fourth, very important pillar for AI factories is sovereignty for data. All of these products that are part of this solution, they can be deployed within the sovereign region, or it can be available as an connected SaaS solution.